Welcome to the dark side. When you see that blue and green, know it's my ties. Defending every blade of grass when we collide. It's Seattle when it's raining and we outside. Yeah, we outside, everybody outside. Whole city going up like it's our time. You hungry, we can provide some beef up front and pancakes from my old line. 21, can you do something for me? I'm everywhere like I'm E-Man Warren. Hold up, I gotta shout out my African in Jigba. You know he's sicker than most. When he run the post, he getting ghosts. When we flex, we don't skip steps, we do the reps. E. Jones told us that's how you build a legacy. Some game from your boy Dre's and the
M.O.B. M.O.B. You are now entering the death zone. Welcome to the dark side.
We would be honored if you would join
us. You're in the death zone. Welcome to the dark side.
12 as 1, you know how we do it. Better bring your hard hat when you come to Lumen. What you know about the death zone? We don't want it easy, we rather work for it. That's the time we on. Going crazy in the hotness. Man, we got this thing feeling like a mosh pit. When that D-line coming and them linebackers hunting, and the hot get to swooping, and the crowd get to buzzing, and the secondary swarming, and the quarterback slanging, feel like everybody's open. You rockin' with the M.O.B.